Hello, I'm Kmond, and today I will show you how to build a bone meal powered dried kelp farm. Here you can see the whole farm. Now let me show you how it works. So basically, this is the super smelter side, which will smelt all of the kelp and turn them into dried kelp. And it's quite simple. You will place the fuel inside these furnaces, like so. You place your stack of coal at first in here. Later you can of course use dried kelp blocks when this farm starts producing them. But yeah, you place the fuel in here and flick the lever. And then the items are evenly distributed inside the furnaces. Like so. In this chest you will place the bone meal. In here. The bone meal will go inside this hopper and then inside the dispenser in here. And you turn the farm on from here. And the kelp will go in here. This dispenser will shoot out the bone meal to make the kelp grow super quickly, and then this piston will break it. Then all of the kelp will go up here inside these hoppers and then inside this minecart with a hopper. And once this is full, let me demonstrate. Let's place a stack in here. Once this is full, this piston will retract, and then the hopper minecart will go round and around. And once the hopper minecart is empty, this comparator will compare the items inside, and then when it's empty, this rail will turn in that direction, and the hopper minecart will go back and pick up some more kelp. Quite simple, I gotta say. And here are some of the items you will need for this build. Some building blocks, some glass blocks, one note block, one dispenser, one dropper, 3 observers, 6 redstone repeaters, half a stack of redstone dust, 5 levers, 1 piston, 1 sticky piston, 51 hoppers, pens, 3 redstone comparators, 2 redstone torches, 1 block of redstone, and 16 furnaces. 44 powered rails, 2 detector rails, 16 rails, 1 minecart with a hopper, and 1 minecart with a chest. Then you will also need a soul sand, kelp, few buckets of water, 6 chests, and some coal to get the farm running. And also some bone meal. Well, not some, but loads of bone meal. This design is basically a combination of 2 farms I found online. This kelp farm side is made by Ilmango, and this super smelter side is made by Kmond. Links down in the description. Now let me show you how to build this thing. Let's start from this section. So place a chest down in here, like so. And then crouch and point a hopper into it. Then place 16 hoppers in a row like so, counting from this hopper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And now on top let's place some furnaces. So crouch and place the furnaces on top of these hoppers. Quite simple. And then let's place some hoppers on the front and also on the top. Now take out some building blocks and place 2 blocks on both sides. Like so. And then place 1 block higher. 1 block higher. Same thing on this side. And now as you can see in here, you have to place 3 blocks like so. So 1, 2 and 3. Same thing on this side. 1, 2 and 3. And then connect it all the way back in here. Like so. Now it should look like this. And now go to the right side and count 9 blocks on that direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And then place 3 blocks in here. 1, 2 and 3. Like that. Now let's place down some rails. So in here you will place down a powered rail, then a regular rail, and then crouch and place some more rails in here. Same thing on this side, regular rail and a powered rail. You can power this on by placing a lever down in here and turning it on. Same thing in here, but in here let's place the lever in here. You can activate it and deactivate it. Quite simple. Now on top the same thing. Powered rails on top, in here. And then on the sides let's place some regular rails. Same thing on this side. Like that. And now we need to power these rails on. It will be quite simple. Place a block in here and then a lever on top. And now all of the rails should be powered on. And now place 1, 2, 3 and on the 4th block let's place a detector rail. And then some regular rails all the way back in here. And in here let's place some powered rails. Like so. Now let's place 2 powered rails in here, then 1 detector rail, and then 2 powered rails again, and then break the top one, like so. Now in here you can place your chest. like this. From here, the hopper minecart will pick up all of the items. Now we need to go in here and place a rail right in here. Then go down and place a redstone torch on top. So it turns on this side, like so. And if you're having a hard time placing the rails pointing on this side, just place them first like so. And now place the redstone torch down in there. As you can see, it will turn as it's supposed to. And now on this side we can place a lever down in here, then flick it on. Now on top here, crouch and place 2 hoppers, like so. And then place 2 blocks out, like this. And here we'll go 2 redstone comparators. Right click the first one, like so. The light turns on. Now in here will go your block of redstone, and then some redstone dust on top, like so. And as you can see, now the rails are turned on. Now in here, let's place down a block, redstone torch on top, and then against the redstone torch, let's place 1 sticky piston. And now let's place a oak fence or any kind of fence in here, like so. Quite simple, I gotta say. Now let's place a block next to the detector rail, like so. And 1 block above in here. Then let's place down a comparator, and down here let's place a 3rd block in here. And in here will go a redstone dust, like that. Right next to it will go a 2nd block and 1 block above. And then in here will go a redstone repeater, like so. Now let's place some blocks in here, like that. Pointing in here and also pointing into here. And under this rail let's place a block, like so. Then in here will go a redstone dust, right click it once, and then a repeater, some redstone dust, 2nd repeater, and 1 repeater in here as well. And then some more redstone dust in here. Now set this repeater to 4 ticks, like so. And yeah, looks complicated, but it's quite simple. Now take out your hopper minecart and place it down in here and then push it forward. Because it's empty, it should turn in here. Let's see. Yes, quite amazing. Now this side of this farm is done, so let's make the kelp farm section. So in here let's place 1 block and 10 soul sand. In here you will start growing your kelp. Let's place some blocks all the way around to the sides, like so. And now on the back side, let's take out 1 dispenser and let's place it down facing this soul sand, like that. Now in here let's place 1 piston above it, like so. And then also 1 node block on top. Quite simple. Place 1 observer pointing into this dispenser. Crouch while placing it, otherwise you will just open the dispenser. And now let's also place 1 lower in here, like so. And down here let's place a block. Now a repeater will go in here and also above the observer in here, like that. And now also place the 3rd observer above this observer, like so. And then 1 block in here. And now the last thing, let's take some redstone dust, then a dropper. Let's place the dropper on top of the, or on front of the observer, in the back in here. As you can see, now it's turned on. Now let's place a redstone dust in here and also a lever in here to turn this off. Quite simple. And now when you want to turn the farm on, just flick this lever and it starts going. And now place your hopper in here while crouching, and then place your chest on top as well. In here you will place your bone meal. Just as simple as this. Open the chest, place the bone meal inside, and then it will go inside the dispenser. And now place some glass up in here, same thing in here, then go 1 more round, connect it all the way back in here, like so. Now just go down, place some water, all the way in here, like that, and then place the kelp down in there, like so. Then a small row of glass blocks on top, like so. And now the kelp farm side is done. Quite simple, I gotta say. Now let's try this out. Let's place some bone meal inside, then turn on this farm and see the kelp growing super quickly, like that. Amazing. The kelp will just go inside the hopper in here. And if you'd like to have some more storage space in here, you can just place a 2nd chest or a 3rd chest and then place a hopper down in here. And now place down your minecart chest in here. Simple as that. and when you flick this lever it will go back and forth. Now let me try this out for the final time. So let's place down the bone meal in here, turn the farm on. Here comes the kelp inside the minecart. Then let's place our stack of coal or any other fuel inside the minecart with a chest and flick this on. And now all of the fuel should go inside the chest. As you can see, the minecart hopper is almost full, and when it's full, that piston should retract. It should go, right? Yes. It just goes round and around, and as you can see, all the furnaces turn on nicely. And of course, all of the items will get inside these chests once they have been smelted. As you can see, the hopper minecart is almost empty. It'll go a few more rounds. 2 more after this one. So 1. And now 2, and then it should go back in there. And here it goes. And now, as you can see, it pick up all of these kelps that have been produced while it was going around. And here it goes again. Quite quickly, I gotta say. And here comes the kelp as well. But anyways, I'm Kmond, and if you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I'll see you next time. Bye bye! Plop.